Hey guys, so it's a Saturday and today I'm shooting a video with the Timeliner. So I'm in their office right now. So we're shooting a really fun video. Diwali ke liye sketch hai. So I'm playing a small role in this video and shoot's already started, done with one scene, but a lot of preparation, getting ready, trials, all of that happened. My hair done with these very different looking curls for the first time. I really like them. Timeliners videos or TVF videos, they're so different, you know, like how they shoot as compared to my videos. मैं जब अपनी video shoot करती हूँ, everything is so जुगाड़ू and I direct them on my own. Everything I do on my own other than the holding the camera part. यहाँ पे everyone's doing different things. As a makeup artist, there are assistant directors, someone who's made the set. So I've been here since 9 AM. It's 2 PM right now and we've only shot one scene. So wow, and I'm going to be here again tomorrow as well. So Saturday and Sunday, my weekend's gone as always. Alright, so shoot done and I quickly changed because today I'm heading to Lotus Makeup India Fashion Week. It's actually my second time in my entire life going for this. The first time I went, I was मैं एक बच्ची थी. So this time we got invited to a couple of shows, so it'll be pretty fun. I'll actually know somebody there hopefully and it won't be as awkward as last time. So the show is done now and I'm actually really impressed. What did you think of the show? Awesome. Yeah, I was actually, yeah, how was your experience though? I liked it. Exactly, usually at fashion weeks you would feel like, what the fuck, you know, like no one's ever gonna wear that. But this was actually really good. I loved how they did the whole presentation. And now the music was good too. Hey, so it's a Thursday and today is a super special day. So I'm going for something called the Women of Worth Conclave today in the evening. And guess what? I am getting felicitated by Smriti Irani as one of the Young Women Achievers of the Year. This honestly came out of nowhere. I just got an email saying that this conclave is happening and they want me to be on a panel जिसपे और भी काफ़ी influencers हैं. Honestly, I'm so happy today. All I can say is thank you so much to each and every one of you. Okay, so Dipanshi and Bebo are here to do my hair and makeup. What's up, guys? Okay, thank you so much for helping me today. You did an awesome job, bro. And this is the final look for the panel. Yeah, बहुत late हो गए. Let's go. Oh God, we're getting so late. I was supposed to get at the venue at 3 and it's almost 3:45. And Papa, jaldi chala. We're stuck in the worst traffic ever, and it shows 19 minutes. And मुझे ऐसे stress हो रहा है ना, be stress. Just transfer a positive message through whatever I'm feeling. So why? I think right now, at least personally, I feel like I'm at a very small level to be called an influencer. I would say someone who's in the government is an influencer. Where at least I am just doing my little bit to, you know, spread my message to a small community.
You don't feel like you need to defend yourself. You feel that people believe in you. It's such a good feeling. Okay? Just addressing very quickly on the theoretical point. This is what.
So I finally made it to the venue, and I was so late that the panel had already started, and I had to get on stage. Hey, fellow panelists, how's it?
It was so much fun, and I'd like to really appreciate Sejal that she really conducted herself very well.
I love
Such
her
a nice
voice.
voiced
And-
girl. Oh my God. And she's the youngest, but the way you really conducted yourself
Sherry's
was
just like-
impeccable. And
I'm
Sherry's the
the
auntie of the gang.
No, I'm not very far away. I'm back home now. This is what we got. And we got Youth Influencer of the Year. Well, all I can say is thank you so much. So today is a Monday and right now मैं अपने भाई के room में हूँ, which is a mess. And remember, I would have told you in my last weekly vlog that I'm planning to turn this into my office room. He still doesn't know about it and he'll kill me when he finds out, but whatever. मैं उसकी बहन हूँ, I can do this. Room has been crazy for so long. So today I've decided that something needs to be done about this shit and we need to get this sorted. I'm actually even changing up my main room a little bit. The room and my office room is sort of ready. I'm gonna do a full detailed tour, room tour of the office and whatever changes we made to the room. So get excited for that. Okay, so you must be really confused about what the heck is this intro? What is this Project Clothing line? Breaking the news to you. This is crazy. I'm starting a clothing line. This is insane. And let's backtrack a little bit. Any of you who've watched my TEDx video or seen my Draw My Life video would know that Bethany Mota was my inspiration behind starting my channel. When I used to watch her videos, I saw that she did her clothing line with Aeropostale in 2013 or 14, and that's what really pushed me to start my channel. And I remember being so like, oh my god, like I want to do this myself one day. During the course of doing my channel, making videos all the time, I completely forgot about this ambition. I was just like, haan, theek hai, when it has to come, it'll come, and I won't think about it all the time. 2 months ago, I got an opportunity like this, and yeah, and we're here today. So I'm gonna be doing my clothing line in association with Stock by Love, which is insane. I'm so happy about this association. During the Cosmopolitan Blogger Awards, I met the CEO of Stock by Love, Shikha, and we had a little bit of a conversation there, and it was just really nice to meet her. And hi bye, nothing too intense. Cut to 2 months ago, she gave me a call that she wants to meet me for coffee, and when we met up, she suggested that we should do a clothing line together. And the whole thing about why I started my channel came back to me again.
Finding the right partner who A, believes in SBL, but B, is also authentic themselves and want to create something authentic. So the thought about it, what came to our mind is you, and then it was literally as much as picking up the phone or texting you and then meeting you.
And I was honestly so excited but also very scared at the same time because I wanted to get this right. And we've been working on the collection for over 1.5 months now. The first thing to do was a lot of homework from my end. This collection is a mix of designed pieces and curated pieces by me. So I had to sit and figure out the entire mood and theme of the collection. These guys made a draft page where they'll be putting things that I curate from the website, and it's really exciting to see this. Look, this is amazing. These are all the pieces that I've picked up and curated from the website, which I think should be a part of the collection. So I'm here in the Stock by Love office. I'm about to go in for the meeting. Here are all the clothes that I picked out. It's so cool to see them in person. Then it was just a bunch of meetings with their entire team where we figured out the marketing strategy. I also acted like a grown-up and gave a presentation about that. I made the entire content strategy. Also, we figured out what products would suit my personality better. I've worked very closely with the team for this. And also seeing this on the homepage was really exciting for me. After that, I sat with the design team, figured out which designs we want to finally put in the collection from my inspirations. We selected the fabrics for that. This was a really interesting process for me, and thank you so much SBL team. You guys taught me a lot during these meetings. Also, we saw the sketches. Some of the finished products were there, which was really exciting for me to see. Also, I made a visit to their sampling unit and saw how they actually make the clothes, which was such a cool learning experience. There's a cat here, look at it. The collection launches on the 24th of November, which is 5 days from today, so that's insane. I'm very excited, and to celebrate that I have a huge giveaway. So I'm gonna pick 5 winners who are gonna get a head-to-toe makeover in my collection. They'll also get a feature in a video with me, which will be on my page as well as SBL's page. So all you have to do to enter is comment below on this video with the hashtag SejalXSBL, and also make sure you're subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram and on every other post that I make about this giveaway. And I'm gonna pick the winners soon and announce them here and on my Instagram as well. A huge thank you to each and every one of you, because this is happening because of you. So thank you, I owe you so much. For the next episode of Project Clothing Line, it's gonna be all about how we prep for the official photo shoot, and along with some awesome behind the scenes footage from the photo shoot, video shoot, etc. Gonna be very exciting, and I'll see you soon. Bye!